Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change region on TikTok. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok application and you'll be appear with your FYP, and from the appear section what you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on that profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on that menu bar which is appear on the bottom right corner, top right corner. Now select settings and privacy. Now go ahead and tap on account. Now go ahead and select user information. So here you get the option account region. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Now here you get so many country or region to change, so just change to wherever you want and save the changes and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can change region on TikTok. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.